Alright, so I'm just going to jump between each trainings really fast and show you. So on this, notice, I'm not sure how come. Anyways, so in this one, notice that it says in the self-check activity. So if you look at these two options, this one's the self-check. So you would click on this one and do this game for the code, and it will give you 480 BC. Be very, very mindful that when you type it in, not to type in a space at the end or at the beginning. It is very, very particular on spaces. So if we jump to another one, we'll see while this is going. I'm not sure. Well, so each of the trainings will tell you which activity to do. So on this one, normally, I will say normally it is the second activity that it wants. So it says enter the code you received when you completed the proof building activity. Okay, so here's the proof building activity. You would do both of these to end up with the code. Again, make sure that you're not leaving any letters or numbers out, or that you're adding in any spaces, because it is very particular about the spaces. So that's the second one, and I'll show you just one more. Like I said, most of the time it is the second activity. Sometimes it's a different one. But that is very few and far between. So on this it says press the translation button at the main menu of the tool. In this part of the activity, it shows a pre-image triangle ABC. So this one is different because it has you answering these 6 questions, and it is going to be coming from this interactive exploration. So right here it says press the translation button at the main menu of the tool. So you'd click the translation button, and then notice that it is the image is A, B, C, and this is A prime, B prime, C prime, and that is what we want to compare. So at the bottom right corner of the tool is a slider with a pointer. Moving the pointer right or left will change the translation. Notice the distance between any two corresponding points of the pre-image and the image are displayed at the bottom of the activity. So what this is saying is this will move it, the image, this A prime, B prime, C prime, left or right. And notice that this distance between these two, so this A to A prime is from this point to this point. C to C prime is this distance. And so this is giving you all of the information on that. It says move the point right or left to translate triangle ABC. Move any vertex of triangle ABC to see different triangles. So if you come up here, you can click this and create different triangles. Notice that this distance still is staying the same. And then it says segment AB is blank, the same distance from segment A prime, B prime, because the distance of A prime equals the distance of B prime under any horizontal translation. Which answer choice correctly fills in the blank in the previous sentence? So the segment AB right here is always the same distance, because A to A prime is 1 unit and B to B prime is 1 unit. No matter how far I change it, these 2 units stay the same. So I would select always, and then I'd go and answer, move on to the next question. So you're going to be using this interactive exploration game and go through the directions here and answer the questions with that. So I hope that helps you with the game. Once you're finished with this, then you would just submit it.